How to change your region or country on TikTok. TikTok's algorithm is largely based on the region or country you are located in, recommending videos mainly in your area and sharing your own videos with those in your surrounding region. If you want to change your location so that your profile and feed focuses on a particular region or country, TikTok unfortunately doesn't allow you to do this, but there are some ways around it. First, you can change the language of your profile. By changing the language, TikTok's algorithm will focus on videos using the same language, which usually are from a particular country. To do this, go to your profile in the TikTok app and select the three dots at the top right corner for more options. Under the Account section, select Content Preferences. To add a language to your account, select Add Language. You can then choose the language from the list provided. Once you have your language selected, click Done. If there are multiple languages that you want to add to your account, you can do so by clicking Add Language again and adding an additional language. You can always delete a language by clicking the trash bin beside the language name. Because we added French and Italian to our languages, we are likely to see videos in French and Italian featured on our feed and our Discover pages. The second way to alter the region or country associated with your account is by liking and engaging with videos from the area you'd like to focus on. TikTok's algorithm takes into account what you are most entertained by and will continue to recommend videos from that location if you continue to like, comment, and save these videos. You can find videos from the location you're interested in by going to the Discover tab and searching the location in the search bar. You can then find hashtags and video content using the country name. You can also go under Users, and you'll often see users that have used the location in their profile bio. You can then begin engaging with these videos by selecting them, liking them, following the users, and sharing them with others. A combination of changing your language and engaging with users and videos from a particular region or country will begin to alter TikTok's algorithm so that you see more content from a specific location. And that's how to change your region or country on TikTok. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.